Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Civic battery key. Start by locating the small release button and slide out the emergency key blade, then use a flathead to gently pry open the fob seam. Remove the old CR2032 battery, note its orientation, and insert the new battery the same way. Press the two halves together until they click and test the remote functions from a short distance. Warm up your hands and keep a soft cloth under the fob to protect finishes and catch parts. With the emergency key removed, insert a small flathead into the seam and twist gently to separate the halves. Work along the edge and stop when the clips release, then ease the halves apart. Inspect the interior for any debris or corrosion before removing the old battery for replacement. Handle the CR2032 battery by its edges to avoid skin oils affecting contact points, and confirm the plus side faces up when placed in the holder. Press the battery gently into its clips and align the two fob halves before snapping them together. Once closed, reinsert the emergency key blade, then test the lock, unlock, and trunk buttons while standing near the car to confirm successful replacement and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.